The DJI Osmo Nano has officially leaked through FCC filings, and it's bringing back the modular design we haven't seen since the Action 2, with model numbers ON001 and OD001 revealing separate camera and display units. This could be the ultra-compact action camera that finally takes on GoPro's Hero miniseries.
The DJI Osmo Nano appears to be taking a completely different approach from the conventional action camera design we've seen with the Osmo Action 3 and 4. According to FCC documents, the device features a revolutionary modular system with two distinct components. The ON001 represents the main camera unit, while the OD001 serves as the display module. The leaked information suggests DJI is bringing back the magnetic mounting system that made the Action 2 so versatile.
The ultra-compact form factor lives up to the Nano name, positioning this as the smallest action camera DJI has ever produced. While specific sensor details remain under wraps, it is speculated that DJI won't compromise on image quality despite the reduced size. The company's track record with the Action series suggests we can expect at least 4K recording capabilities at 60 frames per second, with possible support for higher frame rates in lower resolutions. The sensor is likely optimized for the compact form factor while maintaining DJI's reputation for excellent low-light performance. Given the competitive landscape, the Osmo Nano will need to deliver image quality that exceeds what we see from the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. The leaked FCC filing hints at several advanced features that could set the Osmo Nano apart from competitors. Enhanced artificial intelligence stabilization is reportedly a key focus, offering even smoother footage than DJI's current rock-steady technology. The modular design enables unique shooting angles and mounting possibilities that wouldn't be feasible with traditional action cameras. Improved heat management is another rumored enhancement. The separate display unit could offer better user experience for framing shots and reviewing footage. Wireless connectivity improvements are also suggested by the FCC classification, indicating more efficient data transfer and longer battery life. The Osmo Nano is expected to launch sometime in the second half of 2025, with August being the earliest realistic timeframe. Pricing remains completely speculative at this point, but we can expect it to compete directly with the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini, which retails around $300. The modular design and advanced features might push the price slightly higher, landing in the $350 to $400 range for the complete kit. Looks like DJI is making a strategic play for the ultra-compact action camera segment, directly challenging GoPro's dominance in the mini camera space. The Osmo Nano targets content creators, athletes, and first-person view drone pilots who need professional quality footage in the smallest possible package. This positions DJI to capture market share from users who found previous Osmo action cameras too bulky for certain applications, while offering more features than basic compact competitors like the Insta360 Go series. That's all for today. Comment down your expectations from this upcoming DJI action camera. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more.